What we're talking about in this video is 5 reasons to use content marketing in your business. Reason number 1 is you build a big brand or a better brand. Consistently posting every single day has eventually people knowing all about you, eventually liking you, and then soon enough trusting in your brand to maybe purchase. Number 2, get more web traffic by having a call to action on a majority of your posts. I'm not suggesting all. Remember, if you don't ask, you won't get. But by including a call to action consistently in your broadcast will in turn increase your web traffic, making sure that Google notices you as well as everybody else. Number 3, by consistently delivering your value proposition, you're able to generate leads. Having people understand the fact that you can solve their pain points is key. Making sure that you understand your customers' pain points gives you an understanding of what content to deliver. Number 4, strengthening relationships. This for me works 2 ways. Again, by posting consistently, you're able to strengthen the relationship that you don't quite have yet, making sure that you're posting every single day that value proposition, every single day that content that has these people understanding your culture, in turn strengthens the relationship that you haven't even got. And again, by turning your clients into content as well, by having them give you a video testimonial or even a verbal testimonial that you can turn into some kind of graphical quote, it kind of lifts their sort of profile so that you can leverage their profile too. And finally, number 5, you can increase your conversion rate. If as well, increase the speed of conversion. By posting regularly, you're delivering social proof on those timelines and news feeds. When you're going out meeting people in networking events maybe, or outreaching to people on inside of Facebook groups or LinkedIn outreach opportunities, you will slowly but surely have eyes and people stalking you, looking at your profile. So eventually, by delivering people this social proof, people will learn a lot about you even when you're sleeping, okay? So this is another reason why consistency is key, okay? Do not ever underestimate what a sensible, strategic, and consistent content marketing strategy could be delivering you right at this moment in time. By ignoring it, you're missing out on a massive opportunity. Take it seriously, post with purpose, and make sure you're consistent. Number 3. What are you watching for? Number 3. She even stopped chewing. Number 3, generating leads. By consistently developing, you're able to blah blah. You didn't know that, did you? Number 4, strengthening relationships. Number 4, strengthening relationships. No. You'll be choking on that sandwich in a minute. You are. Just wait while you're on the video. We're doing all staff introduction soon, you know. Number 4, choking Abby with a sandwich.
Great outtakes.
I know, totally. Very true.
Great outtakes.